Just Like That is about candid conversations with minds on things that matter. Ekta, thank you so much for joining us on Just Like That.
Thank you, Sahil. Thank you for this opportunity to be on Just Like That and talk to a like-minded person.
Fantastic. So, Ekta, we've always heard this as children that if you educate a man, you educate a man. But if you educate a lady, you're actually educating an entire family. And over the last couple of years, I've been following your work very closely. And you've been doing great amount of phenomenal work, experiential work with women and with children in the mentoring space. Tell us a little bit more about what you do for all our viewers to know of how are you really going about impacting lives through the wonderful work that you're doing.
Thank you, Sahil, for following me and for giving me this opportunity to talk about all that I do. So as a child, if I go back to my childhood, we were always taught things, right? But as I grew, I felt that all the things that we were taught in school, the bookish knowledge, was never used by us. Of course, it helped us broaden our horizon. But what you really do in terms of your work or in your life is all that you get mentored on. And for me,
True.
mentoring is a two-way process. If I am mentoring someone, in the process, I am also getting mentored by the person. And to address that question or that thought that if you educate a woman, you educate the entire family. Because I feel if women are empowered, educated, they are able to enlighten the path of all those people who walk their life. A mother specifically is a role model for any child to groom himself or herself to be a leader. So
Very
she
true.
needs to be empowered. Yes. And my focus has been in educating women about financial matters because the moment a lady gets involved in that decision making process along with the male counterpart, be it a father, son, husband, or any other relative, she brings in that stability, she brings in that nurturing approach, she brings in that long term view, which is essential for investments to really reap the benefits and help you achieve your goal. And also in India and world over also, it has been seen that financial infidelity is very high, right? And a lot of people feel that how come infidelity and finance come together, right?
Go
But
hand in
when
hand. Yeah.
spouses, husbands don't discuss money matters with wife, that is financial infidelity. When parents don't tell children what their financial status is or how they are trying to meet the ends, that is financial infidelity. So my mentoring program started in 2016 when I went on my family will and I started to think about certain questions. I looked back on my journey to figure out that I had 5 or 6 women investors. And that led me to start a program called Women Mentoring on Money Matters. And that eventually led me to start something called as Kiddo Mentoring to mentor children, not just about money, but to bring children to mentor other children and bring experts who will talk about aspects which matter to a child and to a parent. My
Wow. So what you're actually saying is you have the whole concept of what we call in corporate parlance peer-to-peer learning. Children learn from children, and also reverse mentoring, where children can actually help parents learn various aspects of life. Fantastic. I'll have to know more about what are the pedagogies which you've really used in this entire framework of mentoring.
okay, so before I get to that, Sahil, I would give credit to my daughter who's just 4 because as a child or as a person, I was never a very creative person. But when I saw her, that flair of art and craft in her, it encouraged me to look at things on YouTube or Google to understand myself so that I could mentor her to walk that path at a very early age in life. Most of the times we expose our children only to ABCD and 1, 2, 3, 4 when they are young. Yeah, and we forget about the co-curricular or the non-scholastic things in life. So that's when I started to do things with her. We used to create a lot of things, and that led me to start another venture called Vanya's Craft. where today we make
Nice.
handmade cards, envelopes, paper bags. We've made bookmarks where we use quilling as a technique, and she helps me in pasting because obviously she's small to do that technique. But the exuberance level, the enthusiasm that this child has is what I'm trying to bring it out to the world, that look, when a child is enthusiastic, the child has mentored me to enhance my creative abilities, which I thought I never had. Right?
Wow.
Yeah. And in that
Brilliant.
process,
Brilliant.
I am able to mentor her for the craft, for her to understand the value of time and money, that, okay, we've got an order, we have to execute it in a certain time, and we get money for that. So, in one endeavor, everything is getting covered. In addition
It's
to
actually a
that,
win-win, right? It's
yeah,
actually a win-win, right? You're also learning from your daughter. Your daughter is teaching you something. Your daughter is learning from you, from your experience. Wow, very nice.
absolutely. And with her, Sahil, and I'm trying to do this with the other children also. I post them on a talk show on my platform, Kiddo Mentoring. And it is amazing to see that children as young as 5, 6 years have so much of talent and potential. They just need to be guided in the right direction. And the guiding cannot happen with teaching, can happen only with mentoring. And that is only possible when the mother or the lady of the house is empowered. So when she is educated, empowered, she enlightens the path. And when she follows her passion, her perseverance is high, she automatically will depict something that we call as panache. She will walk the talk. And the entire family will benefit. So if I talk about my family now, rather than just viewing me as a person who runs a financial company, I'm also viewed as a creative person. So my husband, when I get an order and he gets to know, he can sense it that, okay, Vanya and Ekta have got an order, and the whole house is very creative. And he will also keep checking. So how many done? How many have you made? So the entire family is now at the creative, path. And we started off with getting orders of 10, 15 cards, and we've reached a level where we've got 365 cards to make. So,
Wow.
we are growing in that sense. And I think the mentoring process has really helped to mentor me, to mentor her, and mentor many other children. Because I believe that anything that you do cannot be bookish, has to be backed by real life examples, and it has to be a hands-on experience rather than theoretical. That's what I would say.
Fantastic. I think, Ekta, through this very small conversation, just like that, where we got into the Zoom call, you really left us thinking that what we took for granted as teaching our children today can be done so innovatively, so differently, where it actually becomes reverse mentoring of sorts. It becomes creativity in the center of learning, and we're not just restricted to the books that we have or the age-old ways of learning that we were used to. Ekta, I wish you all the very best to all the lives that you're impacting. And I'm sure a lot of people watching this video will get inspired, will reach out to you, and hopefully join the bandwagon as each one of you continue to make this difference in the world. Thank you so much for joining us on Just Like That.
Thank you so much, Sahil, for having me here.
Take care.